Hello everyone, how's it going today? It's been a little while since I posted, but I have some pretty cool stuff that's going to be here and as well coming in. So stay tuned, we got some cool videos, and this is what we have to start it off. Go ahead and show you the box here. And I'm not sure if this is exactly what was ordered or if they just have a different box, but it fits something kind of around this area here. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust it open and take a look. Now I'm pretty excited because this has been 4 months of waiting, 4 long months of waiting. Plenty of emails, follow-ups, telling me it's gonna be 1 more week, that turns into 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. So let's take this thing out and check it out. Alright, so maybe this kind of gives you an idea here, but this thing was a massive front lip. Already painted gloss black, so no problems with that. Alright, let's cut into this thing and check it out. Oh man, this thing looks so cool. You got the side vents. This is the Charge Speed 2A bumper. Well, I'm surprised is that actually did come with all of this grille. It's already painted black, so it looks really cool. And of course, this lip's awesome. It's probably about 3 inches, if not just a hair more. Then you have your blinker and your fog light. Everything looks pretty smooth on it, so it should be pretty easy once I take it to painting. I'm really looking forward to starting this, test fitting it here soon, and checking it out. So I'll follow up with this video here that I'm doing now. It'll just be a second for you, but maybe a day or so for me, and show you what it all looks like on the car. So today will be test fitting the front bumper. There's a couple things that I need to take care of first though. As you can see here in the back, just dirty. Car's been sitting for about 4 months. It started up just fine. Let it run about 10 minutes, just kind of idling, and no issues. Tank needed to be refilled. It lost the air, so I'll monitor that, make sure that no air is leaking. But besides that, I mean, everything seems to be just as it was. So I'm gonna be also doing some interior work with some lighting, and then cleaning up the engine bay, then swapping wheels, putting the bumper on. So just got done cleaning the interior all out. Wasn't as bad as I expected. They kind of cleaned off the engine bay. Looks good again. And then kind of bent these. The hella horns still work, so not looking to get rid of them, but not in the best condition. May paint them again later on. But now we're gonna work on the wheels and then start working on the bumper. Now I'm working on getting the wheels put on. Now I did pull out the tubes for now, since they're not gonna work with the new bumper. What I'm gonna do is buy like a flange with a lip on it. That way I can tuck it behind the bumper itself, reroute the hoses, but that'll be on a different day. So in looking at the instructions for this, looks like I'm gonna have to cut this section off, all these little rivets here on top, as well as trim this section off. So I now have these little pieces cut up. I had to remove the little bumper foam. Have this other piece cut. Now the directions do mention this part here. I'm gonna fit the bumper on first and see if it gets in the way, and hoping not, but if so, then be either cutting up or taking off that part there. So let's get to it. Now it's finally time to get it on. A little nervous. Hopefully everything goes well with getting this all together. We'll just have to see how it goes here, but should be pretty cool. From what I'm seeing so far, is looks like you have that lip here, so probably do just need to go ahead and take that off here. So I ran into two issues with getting the bumper on. The first was right here, this bracket. As you can see on this side, had to trim the bumper there. As well as whenever you put it on, the fitment's like this. So thankfully there's a hole here and then a hole here. So what I'm doing is just using a bolt and washers, and as you can see on this side, snugs it up really nice. It creates a perfect fitment too, so you don't see that gap at all. So I kind of like that as well. So what I'm doing is getting another bolt in and I'll be done. So finally have it finished up here. Looks really good here on the sides. Now the front may look a little odd. One is because I don't have the grills installed. The other is that the lip is not on. Reason for that is because I'm going to get this painted hopefully tomorrow, so don't want all that stuff on there for them to take off. Plus it'll look really cool whenever I get to put all the finishing touches on it. One thing that I did see that was really cool is that the splitter I already have will fit on this as well. So whenever we look at this here, it's gonna literally be sitting like down here. So here's the other side. It's kind of a pain to install, but with it being an aftermarket part, it was kind of expected. The only other thing I need is to fix that spot. So hopefully they can take care of all that for me, and looking forward to following up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, have a great day. Happy driving.